bought the close of this bull bar after we got breakout and follow through, and we got a bull body. Um, so I think because it's a triangle and we're bouncing off of the high of the triangle on the daily chart, I think that the context and location are good. So I think at least we'll get, I think at the very least we'll get a second leg up from this breakout of the triangle. I still think up here is a reasonable target because of the surprise breakout, but overall it just looks like a bear leg in a trading range. So this might be the start of a swing up for a few hours, and I think we might get up here. I thought buying above this bull breakout bar was okay, but I wanted to see a follow through bar that closed above these highs as well, and so we got that on this bar, so I just bought at the market. And I'll scalp out half at around 50 cents, and I'll leave the other half to see what we get. Got out of 3 shares there at 50 cents, and I have 2 shares left. I put the target for my other 2 shares at 361.98, which is just below the measured move target from this low to this high. So we had a breakout test on this bar and then rallied up. So I think it's reasonable to have a target at the measured move target. So I'll have my target there and I'll exit below a bear bar if this bar closes on its low. So any bear bar closing near its low, I'll exit below. Otherwise, I'll wait for this target. This looks like it's gonna close near its low. Pretty strong bear bar. I'll wait to exit below it. Just ended up closing it out there. I didn't exit below it, but it was a big enough bear bar that I thought it was worth exiting. I don't know if that's the right call. I probably should wait for a bear bar closing near its low, but it was right at my break-even price, so I just thought I'd exit. I don't think that's the right thing to do. Especially in a situation like this where this is such a strong move up. We're probably going to get another test up, I think, but I decided to exit there because of the strong bear bar and allowed me to get out break even on the other 2 shares. But if we get a pullback and a buy signal, then I think it'd be worth buying for another leg up, so we'll see what we get. But I think that exit was a little bit premature. Just the size of this bar made me reluctant to hold. So I ended up making 176, not that much, but yeah, I thought we were going to go at least a little bit higher and get a second leg up after the breakout from a triangle. I just didn't know how far up, and I do think we're probably going to go a little bit higher still to get another leg up from this breakout, but maybe even get all the way up here to the bar 7 high. But we might have to pull back a bit first, so I'll see if I can get another entry. It would be a shame if we never go below a strong bear bar and then eventually bounce and I never get another entry back in, because that would make me feel pretty bad about exiting prematurely here, but we'll see what we get.